having no social presence, losing that work-life balance, not to mention the emotional baggage that I had carried from home, which I don't need to go into details, right? Okay. My brain was overloaded. I couldn't process things in a healthy way anymore. I had no one to turn to at that time. So I turned to the university drug dealer instead. Started with marijuana, the high that held me in forgetting my problems. And you know how it usually goes with stuff like this. You start getting adventurous. So, cocaine was next. Yes, I abused drugs, but I was also able to pay to get out of it, to somehow get rehabilitated into society. Banning something or making something illegal has never stopped the use of it, nor does putting a stern moral eye on it has helped in any way. Well, hypothetically, let us assume that you have won this war and everybody everywhere is drug-free. Can you predict how people who have survived drug abuse will be treated in that society? Do you know how people like me are treated right now? We are still going to be the disgraced warriors with no honor left to protect. We will fall back into that pit again. So, you have to decide.